Well, a couple minutes from Daryn's. Get the car finished up to head to Peedley tonight, which is that away. Not looking conducive for racing tonight. We'll see what happens. We'll be ready to go either way. Playing a weather game. Well, it's 10:30 and it's raining here. Getting her, Max is finishing up the fenders so we can hang the right side, wrap it. I'm greasing it, and not looking promising. But we'll be ready to go for next week if we do rain out. Bodies by crew. Ogre's working on the left front fender. Max and me are wrapping. Doug's loading stuff in the trailer. Sun's shining now. Let it quit raining. We are racing tonight. The track's done posted. It's good to go. Now it's time for it to get warm. Skies are clearing up and looking good. Well, it's 2:40. We about got everything loaded up. Gonna head to the track. Who's water? Qualified 8th out of 18 cars. Track was blowing dust. We were the first car out. That puts us starting second row outside of heat race number 2. That's our old motor right there, the little one. Up close, junked his car, frame's bent. I'm sure Herzog did the same. We ain't doing that to ours. We were putting her in the box going home. Ain't gonna learn nothing and take a chance on getting everything wadded up. Got 3 nights next weekend at Farmer City, back here Saturday night, and then Quincy Sunday with Mars. So it's ain't worth it. And then we're going to the flow race the following week at Falls, and we'll be at the PDC. So we'll be up there for the entire PDC weekend. Sometimes they're down here, right here, Dave.